Hello, today I'm going to show how to install Lubuntu 21.10. Start the installer by clicking on the Install Lubuntu 21.10 icon on the desktop. Select your language and press Next. Select your time zone on the map and press Next. Select your keyboard layout and press Next. Select where you want to install Lubuntu 21.10 and if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points. Create a user, set your host name, set your password and press Next. Review that your settings are correct and start the installation by pressing the Install button. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.